Is your iPhone flashlight refusing to turn on? Let's troubleshoot and fix this issue together with some quick steps. Hi everyone and welcome back to our channel. Today, I will guide you through fixing your iPhone flashlight so you won't be left in the dark again. The first step is to test your flashlight in the control center. Swipe down from the top right corner of your screen and tap on the flashlight icon. If it doesn't turn on, the problem might be software related. The next step is to test the camera flash. Head over to the camera app and switch to the photo mode. Turn on the flash and take your photo. If the flash doesn't work, the issue is likely with the flashlight function, not the lid itself. The next step is to restart your iPhone. Perform a soft restart to clear any temporary bugs. Next, update your iOS. Go to the Setting app, go to General and click on Software Update. Install any latest updates we have there. New updates often fix bugs like this. Another step is to reset all settings. Go to Setting, General, then go to Reset. Click on Reset all settings to restore default system setting without losing your data. If your flashlight still doesn't work, it could be a hardware problem with the lid. Visit an Apple store for diagnosis. Thank you so much for watching. I hope this tutorial helped. If you fix your flashlight, let me know in the comment section. Be sure to leave and subscribe for more tech tips, and I'll see you next time. Bye.